Hello to you all. So, today I thought to show you all in coreldraw to use one of the tools, that is blend. That is blend. So, I want you to show you one of the tools of coreldraw, that is blend, and how with the help of blend tool we can merge two shapes together, and what powerful that blend is. When we use smartly, then what powerful that blend is, not bend, blend is. So here this tool is blend. Here, this one, third one, shadow, contour and blend. So I told you before, only in my first video lesson only, that I will tell you one by one all the tools. I will clarify all the tools of. So here it is blend tool. So blend tool blend two shapes together, right? So here, as for example, suppose here is one rectangle I have created, and then again I am just going to create one more rectangle over here, and this will be the shape of square type of, right? And it is like a rectangle. So here, so better to first let me change the orientation of the page. Here it is orientation of the page. So here it is, two shapes are here, and now I am pressing Z for zoom tool and zooming these two to the screen so that it may be clear for you all to see. So here two shapes are there, same, they are rectangular type or square type. Now they are quadrilateral. Now I will blend these two. So for the purpose, here take the blend tool, click on this tool, source to target, that's it. Now here it blends it. Now here, suppose I am just again blending these two shapes by giving it color so that it may be clear for you all. So how it is blending, and I am removing its outline. And how to remove its outline? By the help of this. There is one rectangle square, there is one square above the color palette. So right click on that square, it will remove the outer line. Again here I am removing the outer line. So here these two shapes filled with color. Now here it is blend tool, click and drag over here. Here it is blend. Now in property bar, when you will see, so here the blend steps given is 20. You can increase or decrease this shape. You can increase or decrease its value. So from 20 to I am giving it 50. So more smoothly it will blend. 100, see, more smoothly it will blend. Now again I am selecting the pick tool. It is the wise advice to select always the pick tool whenever you are going to apply some other command. Now here this one is my, okay, it is smoothly bend, better to make it 20 first. Now here is my first rectangle, select and drag it outside. See, so it is affecting the blend shapes also. Here is the last one, see, and I'm if scaling it down, then here it is affecting my blend shapes also. So this is how we can blend, use blend tool. This blend option we can use on text also. This blend option we can use with text also. So here, suppose I am writing one text, Colin Boniface. This is better to take some thick font. For the purpose I am selecting here, where that, Colin Boniface Stick impact. Yes, here it is, one Colin Boniface. One text written. Press plus, drag it down, give it some other color, suppose like ash. Here it is, I am giving white, not exactly pure white, but here this. And now I am blending these two shapes by the help of this blend tool. Click and drag. See here the output, how it is coming. Colin Boniface, and here it is. This is one text which was on top of the layer. The color of this text was black and the back text is ash. See the effect, Colin Boniface. This is how we can blend two shapes, object also and text also. So let's make one design by the help of pen tool. So see here, uh, here one shape I have created. Then I am going to set its registration mark to the bottom of the object by pressing control key. It will snap the registration point, and now when I clicked it, directly goes to the bottom of the shape. Now again I am pressing control key and dragging outside, so it is increasing, it is giving it in increment of 30-degree angle. Right click, right, rotate, and see, again I am showing you what I have done. So here this shape is circle. Actually now it is elliptical shape of this circle is. Now I am click once and again click one more time, so it will give you rotation handle, skew handle, as well as a registration point. So remember this, when you will in CorelDRAW, when you will select one time, right, on when you will click on any object one time once, then it will activate transform handle. See, these all are control handle of transform. And here is one cross symbol. When you will click one more time, that means two times if you will click on an object, then in second time when you will click, it gives you rotation handle, skew handle. This is rotation handle, this is skew handle, and this is registration point. Right? This is registration point which decides the center, which define the center of the object. So along with this center only this object rotates if you rotate. So here I am, and if you skew also, then that will skew according to that uh, center point. So now by pressing, I want to keep it over here. See, so right now it is coming over here, but I need to see it minutely by zooming in, okay, whether it is going on that surface exactly or not. Outer border, it is going sticking with that outer border exactly or not to the bottom of that border. So that I need to decide by seeing it, zooming in and seeing it, right? Like this, I need to zoom it, and then I need to check it. See, here it was. Now again, put over here. So that is how to do. But see here, this is the registration point. Just click on control and drag it bottom or upside. So when I passing it half of the distance bottom side, then automatically it snaps with that bottom surface automatically. holding with control key. This is trick of shortcut of in CorelDRAW. Done. So here I have set it for zoom tool and right click for zoom out. So here I defined its register point. Now again click two times to get the rotation handle, and then again with control click, press and hold control and then rotate it to the right side clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, rotate it. Then it is now rotating according to that registration point. It rotated. Now it rotated at 30-degree angle increment as I pressed control click. That is why. So it is also a tips trick in CorelDRAW. It will help you out a lot. It help you a lot. Then right click and leave. Right click will duplicate it. Right? Now, as you have given command and I told you in my previous video in CorelDRAW that control R will repeat your previous command. So press control R now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Unless and until it is not rotated 360-degree. That's it. Now Z and right click for zoom out. Select all of this and then now fill it color. See how it is filling the color. It filled the color in all the objects. But now I want to make it one. For making it one, what I need to do, I have to make it, I need to combine it. So again, select the pick tool, select all of these shape and combine is the shortcut for combine is control L, else this one is combined, and this control L is in all the version of CorelDRAW. Right now I am working in 2020, but in 2011 also control L for combine. So if you will remember the shortcut, it will help you out in any version. Right, you no need to search for where is the tool. So just press this one combine. So here see, wherever the intersection portion was, that intersection portion it discarded, deleted, removed and make it one. So here this one, whatever color you will fill, this will be transparent. Done. So now here is one shape. Now I'm making one more shape and making it smaller, little smaller. Now color, give it color blue and give it color red. Randomly I have chosen two colors, red and blue, and gradient also you can give gradient also. And one more trick is that when you will click and hold on some color, it will give you variety of different shades of that color. If you will control click on any color, that will add it to this color, right? So here blue color I have given it, click and hold, then it will give you some other shades of color. When you will control click on any other color, it will add that color into that. It will add that specific color into this previous color, right? So remember this. Now I want to color it with dark blue. Here it is red. Dark red also will work fine. Okay, no problem with red. Now click on blend tool and blend these two shapes together. See how it comes. Now scaling it down. Now right click on black color to give it an outline color. And now see what I can do. Just I'm going to create this shape and color of, again I am giving dark blue. Shift page down to make it go back. Yes, and then take this Bezier tool and form this shape, smooth this shape, select, and then take shape tool, right click on any one node and click on to curve. It is converted into curve, and then manipulate its shape. Manipulate its shape. Double click will delete the keys. Nodes means extra nodes will delete, double clicking will. Here it is. Now smooth, and again make it, give it a color and make it by shift page down back of the layer. Yes, and see one more trick. I want to fill its color from red to same this color. So for the purpose, just right click, means right right click on that specific object of which color you want to put into new object, then drag on this new object, then it will give one symbol of target symbol, right, gunshot symbol, leave there, and then it will ask you, it will give you pop-up, copy fill here, move here, copy here, whatever. Or the copy fill here means the properties of that object will be, means the color of that object will be filled here. Outline means if it is having outline, then that outline color will be filled here, but no outline means it will remove that outline. Power clip inside is one also very powerful feature which we'll see afterwards. So copy fill here. So here it is filled with blue color, same color, right? So this is, see the shape of, if you want then you can give it a gradient color also from here. So here it is gradient giving you, right? So as I have not selected object, so it is not taking. Now here it is selected, I have selected the object, and now go to interactive fill tool. G is the shortcut for that, and then we can fill the color, and we can go with two colors also. Here it is blue and here it is. Now see, now how to use gradient also. So here it is blue color, and here I want to fill with some other color. See here, here it is, here it is. I have selected gradient. Here see, this is of blue color and this is of white color. So instead of white I can also select some other shades of blue, this light color blue, click and drag over here, and here suppose I am dragging and giving it red. Here also gradient, on this portion red, and on that portion blue, and black, no, here select black, or select some other variation of color, blue, dark blue. Okay, and if you will click anywhere in between, double click, if you will double click anywhere in between, that will add one more node, one more control of gradient tool. So from where you can also select some color. So here again, given dark shades of red, and here also I am giving red shades, change the shades of red. Now see, so this is how we can use the different tools. So I started with pen tool, then come over here in gradient tool, and then uh, I Bezier also, I touched Bezier again today, right? So these tools I touched, which help you out, and this also how to give outline color and how to copy paste the how to copy the properties of one object to some other object. So that also we have seen, right? So this is how we can create work in Corel Draw. So rest of the thing is here. We can make the peak if we want, and then leg also we can create. So for creating leg, again you can go like this. Done. One leg you have created, then again copy paste only this leg, right? So better not to copy paste right now, just fill it with color. Here it is. Shift page down to send it to the back of the shades, back of the layer. Here it is, one color. In gradient, if you will give, it will look more realistic and more refined. So again, go over here, interactive tool, and from here you just select the color of the gradient tool. So here two colors you need to fill with. So one color is that one, and one color here, this one. And if you want, then you can fill it with texture also. If you want, then you can fill it with texture also. So how it comes in the shell of the bird's leg, so that also you can fill it with. So that is when you will select interactive fill tool. So here it will ask you to which pattern you want to fill, or which type of pattern you want to fill. You can define your pattern also, see here. And from here you can change the color of, so whatever pattern you want. See here, this is this pattern selected. Post script fill, here selected this pattern. This one is of yellow, light yellow, and here again double clicking here, double clicking and giving it some different color. Better to select from here only, click and select some other shades of, remove its outline by right clicking on this no color dialog box, no color square fit, no color square from color palette. So here, done. And now create its bottom fingers and its toes. Done. Actually it will go back side. Control shift page down and remove the outline. This color I am filling here, and then in here I am giving this shape. Done. Little round I will give it the shape of. Again I am removing it and keeping it like this, that only. So here this one leg, after completion of one leg, after completion of one leg, just copy, better to group it together, just delete and see whether it is selected or not. That is the best way to check. And then Control G is the shortcut for group, and shift page down to make it go back, and then right click means drag it by pressing Control click and right click at the position. So here it is, leg created, leg of peacock. So, and for eyes, if you will create it with more planning, see here, that is done. Now create its eyes. For creating its eyes, I'm just making one elliptical shape and filling it with white. One more shape, duplicate, one more shape, duplicate, white, and then hmm, fill it with black and rest white. Leave it with that only. Here it is created, the eyes of the peacock. And one more, here for this peak, suppose I want to make it a peak, convert it into peak. So just create one rectangular shape and give it shape like, right click to curve, convert to curve, and then double click over here and then drag it like this. Done. And then select these both the shape together, and here it is one option, that is intersection. Intersection is there. This is intersect. So it will extract the common path, right? No, delete this. Now see here. Now this is the extra part which you can give separately some color. So again, fill it with some gradient tool like this only. Fill it with this one and fill it with yellow one. Remove its outline. Remove its outline. Here it is. So see, this is how we can create. Blue color is coming, which I do not want. Okay, this is blue. No, I need yellow. I want yellow, or rather this one color. So this is how we can use different tools in CorelDRAW. This is how we can use different tools of CorelDRAW. So this I have used blend tool, here gradient tool, and here also gradient tool. Here I have used intersection. Here I have used intersection. To make the layer come front and go back, we have used shift page up, page down, control page up, page down also you can use. And one more thing, when we have created all those things, so one more thing just to create here is that here spiral tool. I am using a spiral tool here, and see, pressing control click, drag it, which gives you, which mirror it horizontal or vertical with pressing control and flipping it. Press control and flip it. See, whole will flip at once only without any problem. See, maintaining its proportion. So that also you can do. Now click one more time, and this one is, give it like that shape. And if you want, again you can use blend tool. Here just click over here to object, and now blend it together. And but before blending it, give it a color, to color fill. Done. And then where is that blend tool? Here is that blend tool. Click and hold and click on that. Here it is, blend tool. That's all for today, this video lesson. Hope it will beneficial for you all. So do like, subscribe, and share it with others, so that others also get to know about it if they are not well familiar with. Thanks for watching.